I don't know why that stuck in my memory, but it did. We'll be starting to share quickly on the program tomorrow. Oh, I think we've got Jeremy's at Jeremy's restaurant as well. He'll be joining us. What else have we got? That's it. All the information here. Oh, we've got lovely David D joining us as well. The tea shop is hardly shut down, Park Garage. Well, it's reopened. It's Christmas edition. But we'll find out more about that on the show tomorrow. Yeah, we've got Jeremy Ashford from Jeremy's Restaurant at 4. There's a happy cake from Brighton to Sweden. That is it from me. Please stay tuned for Sarah Bond. She'll be here with you just after 4 o'clock with the very latest on the coronavirus. You know, we've been talking about self-isolation and what it means and all of that. There's some really interesting stuff on the BBC News website if you want to take a look at it. And of course, Sarah Bond will keep you up to date with the latest coronavirus news. As it's now been confirmed, we have 42 cases in the UK. Sarah here from 4 o'clock with the headline deadline, and then from 5 she'll round up the top news stories for you across Sussex and Surrey. Then it's music on the move between 6